Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I have a new unboxing. This one is going to be the MPAL MBits S True Wireless. You have stereo and mono mode, stereo bass, powerful battery. We'll see about that. On this side of the box is the back. You can look at the Bluetooth standard and charging for the earbuds and all the technical mumbo jumbo. Let's turn on this side here. We got I don't know why they call it twin mode. It's stereo mode. See what we got inside this thing. I really like MPAL's packaging. It's really simple, nothing to it. Got the cornstarch pouch. Okay, these are some really compact earbuds. This is very lightweight. Okay, not bad. See what they look like. That's not too bad. I like this way. You know, either you do it where the case is like flat, like clamshell like this, or you do it like the Tozo NC2s, where the case is like this. You know, you can just sort of stand it up. Either way is fine. I don't really care. Let's see what else we got. And no, this is the charging cable. Got that USB-A to USB Type-C. Okay. And we got some silicone tips. Let's see how many they got inside here. Probably going to just be small, medium, and large. And yeah, come on out. Yep. Small, medium, and large. There. Okay. Let's look at the buds themselves. Oh, these are really nice. These aren't too bad. Now, I've been using a lot of earbuds that have the stem, like the AirPods Pro. Alright. Yeah, I said that right. AirPods. And I like the stem would like interfere with how it fits in your ears, but actually no, it's not, because this is the part that really matters. This part. How it fits in your ears. This sticks out, like, you know, outside. It really doesn't matter. It really doesn't affect the fit. Let me see how they fit in the ears. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice fit. That's in there. That's in there good. They ain't going nowhere. Yeah. Like I said before, I got medium-sized ear holes. These silicone tips fit perfectly for my ears. It's a nice, good, snug fit. Just gotta turn them slightly so the stems are like at an angle, like towards your jawline. Not bad. I guess I'm gonna let these charge up, and we'll try these out. I like the way they fit in the case like that. That's really good. And then we got LED indicator lights. Got 4. So you probably get like 3 or 4 extra charges for the case. Let's see. These don't come with no instructions or a manual or anything? Oh, okay. I was about to say, where the manual at? Let's see if these things got touch controls. I don't think they do. I mean, these are some pretty cheap buds. I think I got found out about this deal. I saw an article on my Google feed. I think it was either Android Police or CNET or one of those. They were talking about a deal on some true wireless earbuds. Okay. Nope. Gotta start at number 1, silly. Yep, see, right here. It's showing you. get that snug fit, you got to turn it to your draw line. Let's see. One tap for pause and play. Okay, it's press and hold for the volume. And then you got press and hold. Yep. Got full touch controls, it looks like. These don't have ANC. No big deal. Not worried about ANC. Okay. All right, cool. Nice little cheap pair of earbuds. I think I got these off Amazon for about 20, maybe $25. Test these a little further. Check out the sound quality. All right, here's something important. Here's all to do with the charging. So if you got 4 dots or 4 lights, you got 75 to 100. 3 dots or 3 lights, 50 to 75. 2, 25 to 50, and 1 dot is 0 to 25%. Okay, pretty standard. Nothing too complicated. And I really like how Impal, they don't like make the instructions for the different controls look like a football play from Madden 19 or something. So that's good. So that's everything included. You got tips, charging cable. That's it. This has been the unboxing of the Impal MBits S. Thank you.